report writing. On page number 6 in your book, you can see one part is given that is called as report writing. Okay, find out and write a report. On page number 6 it is given. For that you have to understand first what is a report and how to write a report. Okay, so let's see what is a report first. A report, when we write something that we observe or hear, that format is known as report. Okay, जब एक पैराग्राफ की फॉर्म में हम एक क्या करते हैं, हम जो ऑब्जर्व करते हैं या हम कुछ सुनते हैं या हम कहीं विजिट पे गए और हमने वहाँ क्या क्या देखा, वट एवर वी हैव सीन, दैट वी राइट in a paragraph form, that is called a report. Okay, so what we have to write, where we have to remember when we are writing a report, first we have to give a good title to the report. Suppose we are writing a report of a visit to the zoo. Okay, so what you have to write first? So title, that what will be the title there? The title will be a visit to the zoo. Then we have to write only about the matter or stick to the subject. तो आपको क्या करना है, आप जू के विजिट पे गए हैं तो यू हैव टू राइट ओनली अबाउट द विजिट. Don't need to write any other exception things, extra things. You have to just stick to the subject. You have to just stick to the matter. आपको सिर्फ ज़ू की विज़िट के बारे में ही लिखना है, यानी जो टॉपिक आपने रिपोर्ट के लिए चूज़ किया है, जो टॉपिक आपको मिला है, आपको सिर्फ उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड ही लिखना है. इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. ओके, नॉट कंप्लीट डिस्क्रिप्शन, important points, but because report is about of only 100 to 200 words, not more than that, only one paragraph. Okay, so like for example we can write a visit to the zoo. So her class had gone to the zoo on 15th February. We saw many animals there. Okay, we saw lions, tigers, white elephants there, and it was a beautiful zoo. We loved to visit there. ओके, एंड राइट थिंग्स इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर. और आपको करेक्ट ऑर्डर में थिंग्स लिखनी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने लिखा वी सॉ लायन, वी सॉ एनिमल्स, मेनी एनिमल्स देयर, एंड एट लास्ट यू आर राइटिंग वी वेंट टू द जू. तो वो तो गलत हो जाएगा. आपने लायन टाइगर कहाँ देखा? जू. तो वो चीज़ हमें पहले मेंशन करनी होगी. वी वेंट टू द जू, आवर क्लास हैड गॉन टू द जू. Okay, and then what you saw there, then you have to write, and then what you did there, that you have to write. Okay, so you have to write in proper sequence. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पहले बताएंगे आपने क्या किया वहाँ पे, देन आप लिखेंगे आपने कौन से एनिमल देखे, देन आप लिखेंगे जू में गए थे हम. that will be wrong. So you have to see in that you are writing in correct order. Okay, and this is known as a report. Okay, so it is given now in your book, it is given report writing on Uncle Lal's farm. Their report is given, so you can see there are 6 points. My father took me to the visit to Uncle Lal's dairy farm. I saw all of Uncle Lal's cow. तो मेरे फादर मुझे कहाँ लेके गए थे? अंकल लाल की डेयरी फार्म पे. मैंने सभी अंकल लाल की काउस देखी. इट हैज़ 50 काउस. ही हैज़ 50 काउस. कितनी काउस हैं उनकी? 50. They eat grass in the big green farms. In the evening the farmers bring them to the barn to be milked. तो वो barn में लेके आते हैं उसको दूध निकालने के लिए farmers. अंकल लाल sells his milk in the city. और अंकल लाल उनका मिल्क कहाँ बेचते हैं? सिटी. So this is proper sequence. पहले क्या लिखेंगे हम? My father took me to the visit. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप पहले लिखेंगे I saw uncle all of Uncle Lal's cow. He has 50 cows. So then you will write my father took me. It will be wrong. So proper sequence should be followed. Okay. So all these sentences should be written in a proper order. Okay. So this is a report. We can see first we have written the title. Then we have introduced the topic. We have Uncle Lal's farm. We visit there. My father who took me फादर, तो ये एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन हो गया। देन हमने अंकल लाल फार्म के बारे में कुछ पॉइंट्स राइट किए, राइट। और लास्ट में हमने एक एंडिंग सेंटेंस दे दिया कि अंकल लाल दूध कहाँ बेचते हैं, सिटी में। सो वी हैव 3 पार्ट्स, स्मॉल इंट्रोडक्शन, then some points, important points, then an ending. Okay, so hope that report writing is clear to you. So we have 3 important steps: introduction, main part, and ending. Okay, now you have to write a report on different brands of ice cream available in your area. आपके एरिया में जो डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स हैं आइसक्रीम की, आपको उसके बारे में लिखना है। सो आपको क्या करना है, पहले एक शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन देना है। फर्स्ट आपकी हेडिंग क्या होगी, द brand, different brands of ice cream. Then you have to start with an introduction. You can start like this, that in our area we find different kind of flavors of ice cream, different flavors of ice cream, many flavors. For example, butterscotch, then vanilla, etc. Okay, then you have to mention the brands available in our area mainly. तो आप कुछ 3-4 brands लिखिए, these brands are sold. Okay, then you have to write common flavors of ice cream in each of these brands. So brand, oh sorry, you are asking about brands here, so you can mention the brand like Quality Walls, right? Then you have any other, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, these are flavors, not the brands. You have to write about the brands. Okay, so I don't remember the brands now, I remember only one, Quality Walls, that is. So Quality Walls में आपको बताना है उसमें फ्लेवर कौन कौन सा अवेलेबल होता है, कॉर्नेटो, राइट, कॉर्नेटो में फ्लेवर कौन कौन से आती हैं। सो अंडर ईच ब्रांड फाइंड आउट विच फ्लेवर्स आर बीइंग सोल्ड द मोस्ट, आपको देखना है कौन से फ्लेवर्स ज़्यादा सोल्ड होते हैं कौन सी ब्रांड में। ओके, अब फाइनली आपको लिखना है विच आइसक्रीम ब्रांड इज़ मोस्ट पॉपुलर। ओके, I think Cornetto is more popular, so you can see that. So you have to write down the report, okay, not in book, you have to write down in copy and send in the assignment section. Okay, hope the report writing is clear. First give the heading, then brief introduction. Okay, then you have to write the brands available and some important points, and then finally you have to, at last you have to write which a brand is the most popular and give a good ending, okay. Hope report writing is clear. So this is your homework for today. Okay.